Have you ever stood in front of your door on Memorial Day and thought, something's missing? What if that missing piece was more than just decoration? What if it was a bold tribute, a beautiful memory, a symbol of honor right at your doorstep? Memorial Day wreaths are more than red, white, and blue. They're stories woven in flowers, fabric, and tradition. If you've been wanting to create a wreath that really means something that catches the eye and touches the heart, stay with me. We're diving into powerful Memorial Day wreath decor, ideas you can create, customize, and display with pride.
Before we dive into today's video, I'd like to welcome you to Decorpediya, your go-to source for home decor inspiration. We bring you creative ideas to transform your space with style and ease, helping you elevate every corner of your home effortlessly. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on the bell icon so you never miss out on our latest decor inspirations. Now, let's get started.
What is the significance of wreaths on Memorial Day? Memorial Day wreaths carry deep meaning. They're symbols of remembrance, respect, and unity. They're not just festive, they're emotional and ceremonial. They honor those who served and sacrificed. Each wreath is a quiet thank you to the fallen, heroes who gave everything for their country. They create a visual connection. When neighbors see your wreath, it sparks reflection, gratitude, and sometimes even shared stories. They make your space feel intentional. A wreath on your door tells the world you remember, and that remembrance is beautiful, inspired. Already? Show this video some love and share it with someone planning their Memorial Day decor. What are the most traditional elements to include in a Memorial Day wreath? Tradition matters, especially on a day built on memory. Certain design elements bring instant, patriotic and respectful tones to your wreath. Start with patriotic colors, red for valor, white for purity, and blue for justice. These colors aren't just symbolic, they anchor the entire look. Use florals with meaning, Poppies, roses, and carnations have all been used. Historically, to honor soldiers and mark remembrance, incorporate stars, stripes, or miniature flags. These details keep the wreath tied to its purpose and make it unmistakably Memorial Day. Thinking of creating your own version? Tell us in the comments what elements you'd include first. How can you make a DIY Memorial Day wreath at home? DIY wreaths are personal, affordable, and surprisingly easy to make with the right approach. Start with a sturdy base. Wire, foam, or grapevine wreath forms all work well and hold up great outdoors. Layer in fabric or ribbon. Burlap and mesh in red, white, and blue instantly add texture and movement to the design. Finish with custom details. Add wooden stars, miniature flags, or even a nameplate to honor a loved one. Want a full DIY walkthrough? Check out the playlist, linked in the description below. Where's the best place to hang your Memorial Day wreath? Location sets the tone. Where you place your wreath can influence how it's seen and felt by guests or passers-by. Front doors are the classic spot. They welcome guests with meaning and create a focal point for the holiday. Windows or gates are also perfect. They allow your wreath to be seen from multiple angles and extend your tribute outdoors. If you're hosting a gathering, try placing one indoors, above a mantle or at your entryway, as part of your patriotic theme. Thinking of a door makeover for Memorial Day? Make sure you subscribe for more decor inspiration like this. What materials work best for outdoor Memorial Day wreaths? Not all materials hold up outside, and nothing's worse than Your beautiful wreath getting ruined before the weekend's over? Use weatherproof ribbons and fabrics. Outdoor rated burlap and mesh resist. Fading and fraying in the sun and wind. Choose artificial flowers. Real ones wilt quickly, but faux blooms stay. Fresh looking all weekend and can be reused next year. Seal or weatherproof your base. A light spray sealant can protect. Foam or wood from moisture and heat. Need help picking the right materials? Check the description. We've listed everything used in today's video. How can you personalize your Memorial Day wreath to honor a loved one? Personalization adds emotional depth, turning a simple decoration into a tribute. Add a name tag or initial. Use wooden letters, custom vinyl stickers, or even a printed photo as the centerpiece. Incorporate their branch or rank, whether it's a mini Navy cap, an Army badge, or an Air Force emblem. These details say more than words ever could. Choose symbols that mattered to them, a favorite, flower, phrase, or even a quote they lived by. All the items shown here are in the description below. Just scroll down and take a look. Remember how we asked, "What's missing?" Maybe now you realize it was never just a wreath. It's a message, a memory, a moment of gratitude displayed for the world to see. This Memorial Day, let your wreath say what words can't. Whether you go traditional, modern, or personal, just make it meaningful. Because sometimes the most powerful tribute is the one that hangs quietly but speaks volumes.